I'm excited to present a brand new resource in our supply line program, the Second World War Discovery Box. Supply Line is the program that we use to send these boxes free of charge to any school across Canada. And today I'm going to show just a few of the 23 artifacts that we have in this box. Helmets like these are an iconic part of soldiers' battle equipment. Students will be able to try it on. They'll feel how heavy it is and get a sense for how uncomfortable it may have been for soldiers to wear. With the photos in the box, they'll also get an idea of the different types of people who wore helmets like this one, including civilians who volunteered to protect their communities during the war. This one is really neat. This is an original Second World War lifeboat ration. It was sealed for 75 years. We opened it up, filled it with epoxy so that students can see inside. That's real food. I can tell you that the chocolate still smelled like chocolate. This is a reproduction Canadian Army battle dress jacket. Students can try this on just like they can try on everything in the kit. It's also the opportunity to explore a little bit closer the actions of one Canadian regiment, the Régiment de la Chaudière. They were one of the regiments that landed at D-Day. This is a reproduction of an actual board game that was made for Canadian children during the war. It comes with playing pieces, dice, and bilingual instructions. On the surface, it's a fun game about how to become a member of the Royal Canadian Air Force. Digging a little deeper, students may see evidence for just how much the Second World War influenced everyday life in Canada. Remember, these boxes and our First World War Discovery boxes are available free of charge to any school across Canada. Teachers, you can request a box for either the fall or the winter session. Don't delay.